Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to lesson 135 in arithmetic. Let's get started. Let's start with our fractions. We have some fractions we need to reduce or find an equivalent fraction for. Let's see if you can beat me. I will wait for you just a few seconds. 2/3. 2/5. Again, 2/5. I hope you're fast. 2/3. 1/3. Should be easy. 1/2. Last one. 1/4. Very good. Make sure you're dividing the top and the bottom by the GCF, that greatest common factor. Okay, how about a improper fraction changing to a mixed number? Remember, we're dividing the top by the bottom. 38 divided by 7. So here we go. Are you fast? 4 and 1/6. Remember, 4 is the whole number. 1/6 is your fraction. How about this one? 3 and 3/4. Very good. Are you fast? 8 and 2/9. Okay, let's see. One more. 5 and 3/7. Remember that bottom number, that stays the same. The denominator stays the same. And your last one, 4 and 1/6. Very good. We haven't gone over these in a while. Let's repeat after me. Kilo equals 1,000. Hecto equals 100. Deca equals 10. Centi equals 1/100th. 1/100th. Milli equals 1/1000th. Deci equals 1/10th. Let's see how fast you can go. I'm going to just give you the answer. What does that word, that root word, kilo, mean? 1,000, 100, 10. Let's see. 100th, right? 1/100, or we're going to learn today 0.01. 1/1000th, 1/10th. Very good. So like I said, today we're going to talk a little bit about decimals. A decimal is another way to write a fraction. A mixed decimal has a whole number and a decimal. So let's go review our charts. Remember that decimal point is to separate between the whole number and the decimal. Boys and girls, your lesson 135 worksheet is on page 243. It says time to review. We are going to start by drawing a graph here. I would like you to use your ruler to make it as neat as possible. Do your best at your drawing. I'm not looking for perfection, but do your best. You're going to draw your box like so. Again, it's not going to be perfect. Do your best. Okay, let's try that bottom one again. Erase that. Okay, and then we connect these two lines. So you have a big rectangle, okay? And then we're gonna go ahead and read the question together. It says, Erica read 20 books, Natasha read 45 books, Megan read 60 books in a reading contest. So the first thing you're gonna do is give it a title. What should our title be? How about reading contest? to put our scale. So we have 20 books, 45 books, 60 books. So should we do by ones? That wouldn't make sense, would it? We'd have to go 1 all the way to 60. But we could start with 0, of course. And we can count by 5s, we can count by 10s, we can count by 20s. I would pick probably 10s. Let's do 10s. We have 10, we have 20, 30. Try to keep them evenly apart. 45. I'm sorry, 40. Where did I get that 45 from? 40, 50, 60, and 70. And then on this side, we need to put our people. Who are we putting? We're putting Erica, Natasha, and Megan. So we'll start this way, going Erica, space it out, Natasha, and last one is Megan. Okay, now we're going to make a bar graph. Okay, we're going to go from left to right, and we're going to stop exactly where they say. So Erica has 20 books. We're going to stop at 20 and go from Erica to 20 right here. We're going to make a small rectangle like that. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. If you have a ruler, use the ruler. Natasha read 45 books. Now I don't have a 45 on here, but I can assume that it is close to the 40 rather than 50, right in the middle, okay? 45. So we're going to go here and up, okay, and stop just in the middle. All right, just in the middle of there. And Megan, we said, read 60 books, and we're going to stop at the 60. Do our best to stay straight and stop at 60. Okay? Again, not perfect. You are going to do on your paper, go ahead and shade this in. This way you can now easily see that Megan read many more books than Erica. And Natasha was just in between. Okay? And that will be your graph. I'm going to erase this.